Welcome to Monte Maria.
Ang pinakagwapong nilalang ho sa balat ng Chico. Yeah! At ang may pinakamatangos na ilong sa balat ng lupa. Yeah!
Si Melay.
Si Melay. Ang pinakamatsyong utot. Ang may hawak.
Nababangag na.
Ay, mahal ang TF ko sa pag...
It's better for you to go tomorrow because if you will go that by Saturday, you can get it Sunday before you go to Monday.
What does he use to make that, you know?
I don't know. Sometimes I check out an ad.
It's like burnt rice or something, or coconut? You're a movie star.
Hello, peace.
He will put it in YouTube. You want to walk over towards that shrine?
Yeah.
The chapel, I mean?
Okay.
Okay, excuse me. Excuse me.
Ako naman, ikaw.
Kain dyan.
Kaya pala trip ko.
Bakit plan?
Okay, ako maghahawak ng ano nito, ng war nito.
Ay, ang ganda ng army.
Wow! Wow! Oh! Para sa wawa, uy.
Bawa.
Say hello to the TFC subscriber around the world.
Yung...
You! Good morning, John! Thank you for supporting TFC subscribers.
Hi, Gigi and Mali.
Hi, cheese! Cheese Escudero!
Sikat na ang tawa nito sa ano.
Wala kaya pag nakita ko.
Ang pangalan po ng nakasobrelong yun ay si Ruel. Ruel.
Talata ka pa yun.
Si Ruel, taga Ambulong Bulihan. The end na po, the end.